All right, boys and girls, it's time for lesson 42. You ready? First, we're going to start off by saying the purple chart together. Together. Ready? What in whale, in who, ch in patch, ear in ear, air in bear, in earth, old in gold, in lamb, in flu, u in few, e in rainy, in bigger, est in biggest, li in slowly, n in sharpen, es in peaches, ild in child, eind in kind. All right, today we are going to learn more suffixes. We're like full of suffixes in this chart. Let's look at the first one, slowly, slowly. Got it? The li in slowly, there's the suffix. Okay, so we're going to have a bunch of root words with the suffix. You got it? Softly. Can you say that? You say them, and then I'll say it, and you check yourself. Ready? Quickly, costly, freely, firmly, lively. Got it? So, li in slowly. Let's take a look at the next one. N in sharpen. N in sharpen. Okay, again, you say it first. Dampen. Frozen. Gladden. Darken. Freshen. Broken. All right, so what is the root word in freshen? The root word is fresh. The suffix is n in sharpen. One more. Ready? Es, like in peaches. There's more than one peach. But, you know, sometimes we can just add an S to the end of a word to make it more than one, to make it plural. But you can't do that with some words. You have to add an ES, and it makes the es sound. Because you can't say peaches, right? That doesn't make any sense. So, we add the ES, which is the es in peaches. So let's say these. Wishes, perches, freezes, lunches, washes, teaches. Okay? So there is the es in peaches. Now, if you don't have a piece of paper or a pencil or something to bear down on, push pause and go get it now, and then come back because I need you to write some things for me. All right, you ready? I am going to say a special sound. You are going to just write the special sound on your page, okay? Write on your page the ch in patch. Write just the special sound ch in patch. All right, we're going to check it and see how you did. Where's my eraser? Okay, here we go. The ch is TCH in the word patch. All right, let's try this one. Let's do oi in coin. Just write the special sound for oi in coin. Okay, here we go. The oi in coin is an OI. Remember, the OI is the oi sound in the middle of a word. The oi in boy is the OI. It comes at the end of the word. Okay? Usually. There's always rule breakers, isn't there? Like when there's like toy box. It's not really a rule breaker because toy is a word. We're just cramming two words together, right? It wouldn't be toy box because you can't divide that into two words because then it wouldn't be right. All right. Write the special sound in bird. Like in bird. Ready? All right. The in bird is an IR. Got it? Do you remember the in nurse? Write that one. In nurse is a UR. You can't hear the difference. Just have to remember it. All right, write the special sound ul like in little. Ul as in little. Ready to check? It's an LE is ul in little. All right, let's do two more. I want you to write the sound N in gnat. N in gnat. 3, 2, 1, boom. It's a GN is the N in gnat. Did you get it? You didn't get it confused with the N in not? Because KN is N in not. Ta-da! All right, and the last one, I want you to write the sound I in night. I in night. Ready? A few more seconds. All right, let's check this one. IGH is the I like in night or sight, right? Well, I guess it's Halloween. It's close to Halloween. It could be fright. Okay. There are 3 special sounds that look the same but are spelled very different. The ear in ear, air in bear, in earth. Remember? Well, I'm going to say a word. And on your paper, I want you to write the word. Ready? Write the word year. Year. If you need more time, always pause the video. I'm going to check it now, so let's see how you did. Y-E-A-R is year, and it has that special sound, ear. Okay? Let's look at another one that uses that tricky 3. Write the word search. Pause it and write the word search. Okay, we're going to check it. Pause it if you need more time. Search has the in earth, right? It's the same like you wrote year. E-A-R is ear, and it says in the word search like it does in the word earth. So S-E-A-R, and then we have the ch in church, don't we? All right, let's look at another one. I want you to write the word. This is really tricky. Remember, it's the special sound that's the ear, air, Ready? Write the word tear. Tear, like I'm going to tear this paper. Pause it if you need to. Tear. All right, we're going to check it. If you're not ready, pause it. Tear sounds like it has an A, like as a long A, right? And that's because of this special sound right here, E-A-R. Can say air like in bear. Okay? I just wanted to do some practice with those tricky ones because they really are tricky. Let's think. I've got to remind you of a few more things. Sometimes, we had talked about this a few weeks ago, that at the end of a word that ends with a L sound, F, or S, if it's a short vowel word, usually the L, F, or S at the end is doubled. Do you remember that? So write the word. I'm going to give you some words, and I want you to pause it and write them on your paper. Okay? So I want you to write the word scuff. Pause it and write. Okay, if you needed to hear it an extra time, you can always, when I do these, you can back it up if you need to, okay? Mark ran across the finish line. We're going to check it. And I want you to not check it if you haven't done it yet. Ready? Here we go. First of all, we have to start our sentence with a capital letter. Got it? Mark, M-A-R, it's got R like in stars. Ran across, like in adopt. And it has two S's because it's that short vowel sound that ends with an S sound. Sometimes it's doubled, remember? Across the finish, short I, in ship, finish, line. Don't forget you've got to have an E at the end to make that I long. But did you remember the period at the end? All sentences have to start with a capital letter and they end with a period or a question mark or an exclamation point, right? So make sure you put your period on here. And that is it for today's lesson.